Hello students, very good afternoon to all of you. Myself Mr. Devesh Singh. You are most welcome in my channel. Today in this class we are going to read a very important topic, that is report writing. Students, this topic is the most important topic from writing section, as you find it in your examination, and it's also very compulsory to write. Now I'm going to explain you how you will write a report writing. At first, for the report writing there are some hints. You have to follow those hints to make the writing attractive and in a proper sequence. Firstly, you have to write the report writing in a very proper way to see that the events conditions, the events activity is in sequence or not, and the lining of the writing, the sequence of the writing, the words attraction, using of the phrases, everything must be clear and attractive during your writing section. You see, I have written it. Now you see, here your topic is Pulse Polio Campaign. Your topic is Pulse Polio Campaign. And this topic here, as a reporter, I have written this report. Now you see, so, at first in the center of your notebook, you will write the heading, the topic of your report writing. Like that here, Pulse Polio Campaign. Okay, just after you will left the line, and from the second line, from the starting portion of the notebook, you will write the name of the reporter. Like that here, by D.K. Singh. This is the name of the reporter. Okay, students. Just after it, you will write the place where the event taken place. You will mention the name of the place. Here I have mentioned Gorakhpur, comma, and just after you will write the date of the event. So the date of the event is today. The date is 16 December 2000. Okay, now when you write all this better, after that you will leave the line, and now you will start from the same line, just under it, the events activity, how the events happen, how much people were present there, who were the chief guests there, what was the motto of that events, everything you will mention in this report. And you have to remember here, in the report writing, you will never mention, you will never describe your personal opinions or your personal feelings, because in the report it is not acceptable to any people's opinion or their personal feelings, emotions, nothing. You have to mention nothing there. You have to only mention here the real things, the factual things. What is the factual things? What is the factual description that happens there? You have to only write there. Okay, now you see, here I have described a Pulse Polio Campaign. A Pulse Polio Campaign was organized in a village. A Pulse Polio Campaign was organized in a village of Gorakhpur district. Okay. Now you see, Kardbola in Uttar Pradesh. यहाँ तक आपका एक क्लियर हो गया. मीन्स एट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस द इवेंट्स प्लेस. the topic of your writing and also to the event. ये क्लियर हो गया, प्लेस यहाँ पर आपने क्लियर कर दिया. जस्ट आफ्टर यू हैव टू मेंशन it was organized by WHO. WHO is a World Health Organization. World Health Organization, and it is a wing of United Nations. Means the campaign that took place at Gola in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. This campaign was organized by WHO. That is a wing of United Nations and it's also called World Health Organization. It's clear? Now, you see, there were roughly 400 children. Means in this campaign, where this campaign took place, there 400 children were present at the camp. इस कैंप में ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, पोलियो कैंपेन में ट्रीटमेंट के लिए उस वैक्सीन को लेने के लिए 400 चिल्ड्रन वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट थे. ओके, नाउ यू सी द नेक्स्ट लाइन. A number of tents had been set up in the camp. In the camp where the events taken place, there were number of tents. Okay. In each camp there was a team of 2 doctors and a nurse. And in each tent there was a team. And the team was associated with doctors and nurse. And in that team there were 2 doctors and a nurse. And these doctors and nurse were caring to those children in the camp. Now you see, the helpers were volunteers from among the villagers, and there were no helpers from the outside area. The helpers were among the villagers. कोई helpers बाहरी नहीं था. Those helpers were among the villagers, and they were working there as a volunteer. You know what is volunteer? Volunteers are the people who help to the people who helps to a team, to an organization. They works for an organization to complete a task. Means to complete any task, there are the requirements of volunteer, and this is the task of volunteer to help the people, to help the organization to complete the task. So here, to complete this task, to help the team of doctor and nurse, there were some volunteers who were working for them, and these were the villagers. These were the villagers from the nearest village. Okay. Now let's see. There were only 300 polio units in stock. Means at that time the team has only adopted 300 polio stocks. Because of stocks it was only 300. But here is the requirement of 400. क्योंकि children कितने होते हैं? 400, and they have only 300 polio stocks. But the requirement was for 400. Okay. Now you see. The additional units were brought in by the van of health department, and when the requirement was more than the present units, the health department's van brought the remaining units of the medicine. At once they provided the team the remaining portions of medicine, so that no children could be left. Okay, finally, the villagers have appreciated this campaign. रिपोर्ट राइटिंग आपने वहाँ तक कर लिया. अब हमको रिपोर्ट क्या करना है? क्लोज करना है. पूरी बात मेंशन कर लिया गया इस रिपोर्ट राइटिंग में. अब वी हैव टू make a conclusion of this report. So at the end of this report writing, you will write that the villagers have appreciated the team. गाँव वालों ने काफ़ी प्रशंसा किया इस टीम का, and are very happy to see the genuine concern of WHO. And villagers are also extremely happy. They are also extremely happy to see the genuine concern of WHO for this campaign, because everyone is a very important and beneficial, useful campaign for the children. As in India, the children on a large scale are suffering from polio. So everyone appreciated to the campaign of WHO, and they were extremely happy. Finally, you see the last time, finally, when you are going to conclude the topic, you will add some name like that. जैसे किसी प्रोग्राम में लास्ट में मुख्य अतिथि होते हैं, हमारे चीफ गेस्ट होते हैं, तो उनका नाम लिखकर फाइनली वहाँ पर मुख्य अतिथि ने ये बातें कहा, मतलब उस कार्यक्रम से रिलेटेड. तो हियर यू कैन सी दैट वी हैव added the name of the doctor. They are one of them, Mr. Rao, he is the senior doctor of the team. Mr. Rao commented, उन्होंने क्या कमेंट किया कि दिस कैंपेन इज अ बून फॉर द विलेजर्स. उन्होंने कैंपेन में क्या कहा कि दिस कैंपेन इज ए बून फॉर विलेजर्स. उनका आशीर्वाद, वरदान, यह कैंपेन इस गांव के क्षेत्र के लिए, रूरल एरिया क्षेत्र के लिए एक वरदान साबित होगा. इस तरह से आपने उस चीज़ को मेंशन कर लिया. आप और कुछ और चीज़ों को राइट कर सकते हैं, जैसे पोलियो इज अ क्रिपलिंग डिजीज एंड आवर चिल्ड्रन आर वेरी लकी दैट दे आर बीइंग इम्यूनाइज्ड अगेंस्ट इट. This depends on our climate, and our government is also working government are also taking very rapid action to control this great disease. So the chief guest also mentioned, commented all the things in his speech, and finally there were other people, they also said, they also commented their own opinion related to this campaign, that this campaign is definitely a very important campaign for the rural area children. Now children will be safe, and finally they appreciated to WHO, they appreciated to the government's employees, and finally everyone was extremely happy to see such type of campaign for the people, that the government is also very conscious for its citizen, and this is also a responsibility of our government to be conscious for the citizens, for our children, for the men, women and everyone, because you know that the healthy citizen is a great asset for a country, and without healthy citizen, without healthy citizens and without proper health, it is not possible to struggle for country and to also to develop the economic level of our country. So finally, this is the description for this report writing. Students, I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you very much to see this video. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.